without fire. We're going to make a Oreo milkshake. The ingredients we need is crushed Oreo and ice cream and milk and sugar to make it a little sweet. Let's start. I'll be doing it with my Ate Faith.
I'll be helping him in this activity because we're going to use the blender in this lesson. And remember to ask an adult for help. Don't worry, our parents is just right here with us in this video.
Let's start. We'll be first putting the Oreo in the blender. Now we'll crush the Oreo properly.
Make sure you close it properly.
Now we'll get some for the sprinkle. Now we'll put the ice.
Then we will put a little sugar. Now we will start blending it again.
We'll put vanilla ice cream so it can be creamy and delicious. Our milkshake is almost done. Now we'll prepare the glass for serving. We will put the Nutella in the glass. Now we're done.
I will add the milkshake in his glass.
Now we'll put a scoop of ice cream.
Now we can put some sprinkles that we made.
As we save our environment, we'll be using stick oil. Now it's ready.
Now our milkshake is ready.
I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe and ring the bell.
See you in our next lesson.